What's going on YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys yet again with another YouTube video. And in this video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys the things that you need to stay away from, or the things you need to focus on most importantly, so that you don't have an unsuccessful ATM business. Ladies and gentlemen, before I get started in this video, make sure and drop in the comment section down below what you guys would like to see in future videos, as well as make sure and smash the thumbs up button on the YouTube video, because it does in fact help the YouTube algorithm, as well as come subscribe if you guys are brand new. Now let's jump right into this video. One thing I see that is a massive downfall that people do getting into the ATM business, whether they're amateurs or actually experts, and I'll be honest with you guys, I've actually done these exact same things that I'm going to share with you, so don't think I'm trying to call anybody out. I'm just trying to warn you on how I've had a successful ATM business and how I've had an unsuccessful ATM business. And we're going to start with everybody getting into the ATM business just wants to place an ATM almost anywhere they can get a location to say yes to them. That is actually a problem I had getting into the ATM business, just due to the fact that, well, I closed 32 smoke shops and I installed 32 machines inside 32 smoke shops. And those 32 smoke shops did, in total, roughly about $50 a month between all 32 of them. I'm going to share with you guys right now, that was not a great return, and that is not at all what I was expecting. Let's do some math. I invested into 32 ATMs, okay? We're going to times this by $24.95. That's about $80,000 in hardware. We have 32 making $50 a month. I was making around $1,600 a month with 32 machines. At $1,600 a month, times that by 12, that's a $19,200 return every single year, okay? On $80,000, not too shabby. It's gonna take 4 years to make my money back, but I certainly knew I could make a little bit more than $50 every single machine. Now again, it just depends on what you want to do in the ATM business. Do you want to get in and come in as an investor, and are you happy with $50 a month machine? Or are you an investor or somebody that's getting into the business looking to make $150 to $200 to $300 to $400 to $500 to $700 a month per machine? The number one reasoning on why people don't have a successful ATM business is they place an ATM machine anywhere they can. Any location that says, hey, yes, I want a machine, just be weary. I have other videos on my channel talking about what a perfect ATM location actually looks like, and if that's something you're interested in me making an updated video on, then go ahead and drop in the comment section down below. So don't place an ATM in just anywhere. Okay? Make sure it is a solid location that you can check mark each box that you know is going to produce more and exactly the revenue that it is that you are looking for. And of course, nothing is going to be exact, just simply due to the fact that the ATM business, you might think it's going to be a phenomenal location. It turns out to be pretty average. You might have an average location turn out to be absolutely insanely incredible. That is just what dictates a lot of things. Install it, see how it goes, rock and roll. Now again, I'm talking to you guys about new locations. I'm not talking to you guys about purchasing existing routes and things like that. Again, I'm talking about new amateurs getting into the business. One reason why your business is not successful is just due to the fact that you say yes. And in this business, being the yes man or the yes woman is not the way to do things, because that is when you get yourself into a bind, when you get into the business and you start burning through cash. Because I understand it does take a lot of money. It does take money to get an ATM machine, to install the machine, whether you're going to pay somebody to do that for you. You got to buy a Wi-Fi box, chances are, because you don't know anything and you didn't educate yourself. You were just so excited getting into the business. And then you went ahead and moved forward and rocked and rolled in this, that, and the third. And here you are, you having to move the ATM to a different location because it is not doing any transactions. It's not paying you, and you didn't get into this business for this business not to pay you. Second thing people do wrong that have a unsuccessful ATM business is marketing. They don't do any marketing. They think their business is just going to randomly grow. And I'm here to share with you guys that it's not. The ATM business requires great customer service. And what most individuals don't offer is great customer service. Ladies and gentlemen, I have locations. I have nail salons. I have bars. I have barber shops. I have marketplaces. I have dispensaries. I have large locations that all I do to market is provide good customer service. With that and inside that, right, this is going to require them to refer me to their friends because every dispensary owner knows another dispensary owner. Every barbershop owner knows another barbershop owner. Ladies and gentlemen, that is marketing, okay? Most people just get into the business, install an ATM machine in an average location, make $250 a month. They're stoked, they're fired up, they're happy, but then at the end of the day, they wonder why they can't get any more locations. They're struggling to get their second. They're struggling to get their fourth location, and it's because you suck at marketing. So make sure you market the ways that you want to market with your business. There is millions of ways that you can go out there and do that. And again, I have videos on my channel talking a little bit more about that. So the first one is stop being a yes man. Stop saying, or yes woman. Stop saying yes to just any location that wants you to install an ATM machine inside their location. Second of all, understand your marketing. Nobody knows you. Nobody knows that you're in the ATM business. Nobody knows that you can offer a free install inside a business and help them, to create cash for their business or cash tips. Nobody knows that. And until they know that, then they're not going to know that. So what you need to focus on is marketing and customer service. Customer service with your current clients is going to increase your marketing because it's going to increase your word of mouth. And that's one of the fastest ways that this business grows because people trust people, okay? And if you have a phenomenal business, a phenomenal service, I just had it happen to me literally the other day. I was walking into a nail salon. I have a really good relationship with the owners and the workers around there. I say hello, I greet them, I make sure the ATM machine's always filled. So then she referred me to one of her friends that also owns a nail salon here in Phoenix. And so I went ahead and installed an ATM two days later after I told her and met her that I would install an ATM machine in her location. Number 3 is focusing on crucial locations that are not actually going to ever slow down or close. Now, obviously, I have a lot of hotels, for example. Hotels are very up and down because hotel season sometimes incredible. Hotel season sometimes is terrible. Through the month of November and December, hotel season is absolutely trash. Through the hotel season of midsummer is absolutely unbelievably phenomenal because everybody is traveling, everybody's going places. Now again, it depends on the city and state. There's so many variables when it comes to the ATM business. For example, hotels in Arizona actually tend to slow down because Arizona is like 375 degrees. So there's not a lot of travelers that are going to be coming to Arizona. Okay, that's why they're called snowbirds, all right? They come here during the winters and the springs, but they leave during the summers. The other Saturday, it was already 100 degrees in April, which was literally insane. So focus on locations that are going to be consistent. And again, consistent, when I mean consistent, I mean every single day consistent. I mean, every single day they have foot traffic, every single day they are open, every single day. Now, obviously your bars are not going to be consistent every day, but they might be consistent every single month, depending on the location and things like that. So watch out for your variables. Understand that you want to install a machine in a pandemic proof location. Now, obviously, if you're willing to take the risk, then you're going to receive the reward. But if you end up having to go through a pandemic or the bar does end up shutting down or something along those lines, then you're gonna have to be all right with the risk of that. But those are 3 reasons, ladies and gentlemen, on why your business is failing or why your ATM business could fail based on those 3 things that I share with you. So if you guys got value in this video, then definitely drop in the comment section down below. If you guys would like to see some more videos about this, then definitely drop in the comment section down below. Make sure and check out in my description all of my links if you're interested in trading Forex. I have a new broker broker for you. If you're interested in joining my free ATM Facebook group, then make sure and go join that. If you're interested in following me on Instagram, make sure and go join that. But make sure and do me a favor, most importantly, smash the thumbs up button on this YouTube video, because it does in fact help the YouTube algorithm, as well as come subscribe if you guys are brand new here. Austin Lewis saying we'll see you guys in a future YouTube video.